Hello, everyone. It's Hoolio from Bogey's Puppet Friend. Oh, I'm having a wonderful day today. I'm cooking up a storm and baking all kinds of good things. One of my favorite things I'm making today is platters and platters of a lasagna. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Oh, hey, Bob, what are you doing over there? Hey, hi, Julio. Oh my goodness, you have everybody in the village talking. Everybody's loving the smell, and they can't wait for the big party. I got a favor to ask of you. Do you think maybe sometime you can teach me how to make your mom's world famous lasagna? Oh, I couldn't do that. Yes, I could, but you would have to wear a blindfold because we got a very famous secret recipes that make the lasagna taste just perfect. So we will have to do that as long as you agree. Is that okay? That'll be perfect. That's for sure. Thank you so much, Julio. I would love to help. And, we can even have a fun time having the party that you got planned for the whole village. That's for sure. Oh, you know what? That's a beautiful. And it reminds me of a joke that my Uncle Pablo Giovanni Smoochie Moochie taught me. He says, a dad and his son were eating lasagna at the table. And the dad says, "Hey, son, make sure you lean over the table." And the boy says, "Why do I have to need to lean over the table, Daddy, Papa?" And he says, "Because we don't want any lasagna, Anya." Oh, that is so funny, Julio. You don't want any lasagna. That's for sure. That's what I said. I don't want any lasagna, Anya. Okay, I got to go. I got to get the lasagna out of the oven before the cheese melts all over the place. Okay, bye bye.